restaurant
Who says it like that? I've never heard that.
Okay. Be real.
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. It's almost there.
Yeah, it's almost there.
It's almost there. I think it just you really hear the separation when Thai people say it, but it's more just like smooth restaurant.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Again, it's like you cut it into three, like how do you say it?
Vegetable.
Oh, it's four.
Yeah, it's
Vegetable.
four.
It should be three.
Yeah,
It should be three.
It should be vegetable.
I think
Because that's how you say
vegetable.
This is too much.
Hello, Booby. Hello. Hi, Chicky. Hello,
Hear him
Apollo.
purring.